In this session, let us learn about abstract, boolean, break, byte, case keywords. Java abstract keyword. An abstract method belongs to an abstract class and it does not have a body. The body is provided by the subclass. The abstract keyword is a non-SS modifier used for classes and methods. Class. An abstract class is a restricted class that cannot be used to create objects. To access it, it must be inherited from another class. Method. An abstract method can only be used in an abstract class and it does not have a body. The body is provided by the subclass inherited from. See, this is the syntax. If write and execute this code by using abstract class, the result returns this. See here, it's main Java using abstract class, and the second Java, if write and execute this code, the result printed this. Create an object of the student class which inherits attributes and methods from main. Call abstract method. Java boolean keyword. A boolean keyword is a data type that can only take the values true or false. Boolean values are mostly used for conditional testing. Read the Java booleans tutorial for more information. A boolean data type with true or false values. See example, if you write and execute this code, output true, output false. See here, the result returns is true or false. Java break keyword. The break keyword is used to break out a for loop, a while loop or a switch block. End the loop when I is equal to 4. See, if we write and execute this code using break keyword, the result returns is 0, 1, 2, 3. See another example, break out of a while loop. See, if we write and execute this code using while loop, see here 0, 1, 2, 3 was printed. Java byte keyword. The byte keyword is a data type that can store whole numbers from -128 to 127. See, by writing and executing this code using byte keyword, see the result returns is 100. Java case keyword. The case keywords marks a block of code in switch statement. See, calculate the weekday name. See, by writing and executing this code using case keyword, see here, the result returns is Thursday. Okay friends, this is the end of Java part 54. Abstract keyword, boolean keyword, byte keyword, case keyword. In next video let us learn about another topic, catch, character, class, continue, default keywords. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.